sun is shining, dogwoods are coming in bloom. Put on your white dress, yeah, cause baby, it's a good day for marrying you. I call my mama and daddy, baby, you call yours too. Put on your white dress, yeah, cause baby, it's a good day for marrying you. I know you by now, which means I know what you're thinking about.
Kanina, medyo wala pa yung kabay, pero ngayon parang, nagsisimula na.
Ang mindset natin, kaya natin lahat.
Parang naiyak na nga ako ngayon, pero hindi, titigilan.
Baby, the sun is shining, dogwoods are coming in bloom. Put on your white dress, yeah, cause baby, it's a good day for marrying you. I call my mama and daddy, baby, you call yours too. Put on your white dress, yeah, cause baby, we got what we need.
Si Aaron, chill lang. Angkad, chill, ganyan.
My friend, they're all buzzing, words out, everyone's coming. Better tell them to bring a preacher too. Baby, the sun is shining, dogwoods are coming.
Pag-decide namin ni Kim na kasi ito for travel, kasi itong mga to, mahilig to mag-travel. So yan, passport holder, and then syempre para sa kotse and sa mga sa bahay. So yan, key holder.
It's a good day, it's about to get better. Every dream is about to come true. No reason to wait, we got the weather, we just need our
Actually, nung umalis ako dun sa second company ko, after a few months siya yung nag-join. Tapos since dinadalaw-dalaw ko pa rin yung mga friends ko doon, yung isa naming friend si Nikki, tinanong niya, pwede bang isama ko si Aaron, yung bago namin? Sabi ko, sure, sama mo.
At alam mo ba, nung kayo ay nagkita for the first time, palpak, hindi ka makapagsalita, para ka nakakita ng crush, para ka nakakita ng isang K-pop idol, nakita mo in person. Kinakausap kang matino, hindi ka makasagot. Alam mo ang sabi niya? Mabait naman ako, hindi na ako nangangagat. Magsalita ka, huy.
I can see it all, the color of the morning when summer turns.
Grandparents ko to. Yung una, yung naka-gray out is lolo ko. So, ito yung namatay ng 2014 siya namatay. And then, pagdating ng 2015, nag-aya yung friends ko na mag-akyat ng Batulao. So sabi ko, sige, yes, kahit January 3, which is, I don't normally go out first week of the year. Doon sa Batulao, sa peak na yon, parang kinakausap yung lolo ko na, feeling ko, dahil nasa peak tayo, mas malapit ako sa'yo. So sabi ko, lolo, ganyan-ganyan, nagbabay lang ako na, kaya I think siya yung butterfly kanina, kasi close kami ng lolo ko na to.
There's just no denying when stars align. Perfect harmony.
Kailangan lang ng respeto sa isa't isa. Siyempre, pagmamahalan. At saka, number one, dapat nasa center ang God sa kanilang pagsasama.
For me.
Para wala ko sa inyong lahat. Ang pretty ninyong lahat! Happy ako sa inyong lahat! Ay! Super happy ko. Ang ganda nyo tingnan lahat. Oh my God.
Magpasalamat ka, Aaron, ang babaeng itong katabi mo na in love. Sobra siyang na in love. Kaya nung hindi nagkatuluyan, sobrang sakit. 2012 nangyari yun. Bakit blessing yun? Kasi that's the time na realize ng babaeng ito, hindi pala ganun kadali ang relationship.
Parang lagi ako nagtatanong sa sarili ko. Sabi ko, ready na ba ako? Lord, ready na ba? Pero laging hindi. Laging ganun yung, parang clear sa akin na, hindi pa. So, since hindi pa, sabi ko, sige, focus muna tayo sa career, focus muna tayo sa ibang bagay, time with friends, family, ganyan.
So, we're matured enough na. Then, syempre, tagal na rin namin, 7 years. So, it's about time na magpakasal.
Kathy May, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Aaron, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Face to face, holding hands, both hands, tingin sa mga mata, feel your love, feel the moment, buntong hininga. Aaron, you may now kiss your beloved wife. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!